And in this downtrend for so long now, and we started going sideways here for some time since February. So anytime you start to see this is what they call the stock is basing, meaning it starts to go sideways after a long trend, in this case a downtrend. It also happens on uptrends as well. And a good example of that is on the SPY chart where we were basing at the top and then we saw the big drop that we saw. Now we're in correction territory. But we are basing now here on Bitcoin, meaning we found a level in which support is kind of holding. I've been very cautious here when we've been talking about Bitcoin the last couple of weeks because early in March we had what they call the Clarity Act that Congress was mulling over, and then Bitcoin made this little run in March, and then it got up to this level and pulled back. So this is why we formed this level. It's just got really just the one touch I could trust. There's some action here, but we're kind of cutting through the level a little too much for my liking for that to call that a touch, right? So we have one touch here. We want to see how that holds up. We have many touches here down at the bottom, meaning every time that Bitcoin has come down to this level of 66,339, it found some buyers, right? So anytime Bitcoin got down to, let's call it the 65,000 level, it found buyers. So those buyers haven't been enough to this point to start pushing it higher. Part of that is because of the uncertainty in the market. People are not willing to make bets on Bitcoin just yet because there's just so much uncertainty in the overall market with the war and everything else that we have going on. Is the inflation coming back? A lot of Bitcoin buyers also borrow money to do so, and the cost of borrowing that money right now is extremely high with interest rates where they are. So